student, in the previous video of the chapter 4 geography, climate, we discussed about the factor that affect the climate of India. India has a monsoon type climate. Monsoon is a periodical seasonal wind. It blows from sea to land in particular season and reverts back in change in atmospheric conditions. It is a typical or dominant feature of Indian climate. In olden days, the sailors found this wind convenient to set in their sails in the direction of the wind. They used to save their fuel and time by doing so. Let us discuss the causes of this seasonal reversal of wind from sea to land and land to sea. The main cause is the differential heating and cooling of land and water and its surrounding, the water bodies, that is sea and ocean. During summer, land is hot and thus low pressure area develops over it, interior part of the large Indian landmass. Similarly, high pressure area develops over the sea and oceans surrounding India. Thus, a steady flow of moisture laden wind moves towards sea to land in India and cause rainfall, and for almost 3 months as the pressure system reverses. And due to apparent shifting of the sun from Tropic of Cancer to the equator, the wind also reverses back to same direction from where it comes. There is another interesting factor, the shift of the position of Intertropical Convergence Zone (ITCZ). The apparent movement of the sun from the Tropic of Cancer in 21st June faces the sun, and the Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December faces the sun, because the apparent movement of the sun from 21st March to 23rd September faces the northern hemisphere faces the sun, and due to that this affects the global climate. The pressure belt and the wind system change globally. The maximum effect can be noted on the equatorial belt and the northeast and the southeast convergence, and it is called as the Intertropical Convergence Zone (ITCZ). So due to the apparent movement of the sun, the ITCZ shift 5 degrees north during summer and 5 degrees south during winter, and push the north to the Ganga basin, and due to the differential heating and the cooling of the Indian landmass and its surrounding water bodies during the monsoon season, and this is known as a monsoon trough. It is monsoon trough. It is a elongate region of the low atmospheric pressure. Here it is referred as ITCZ. Intertropical Convergence Zone means the shifting of the pressure area towards the equator. We know that when there is summer in northern hemisphere, winter in the southern hemisphere. So in the southern part, temperature is low and pressure is high, and high pressure winds starts moving towards the northern hemisphere, and generally they can't move because the region of the ITCZ along the equal wind will converge, and because of the shifting of the ITCZ over India, the winds moves from northern to the southern hemisphere, and they are responsible from bringing rain in India. The southwest monsoon wind which blow over India origin from the southern hemisphere, and in the southern hemisphere the wind blow as a southeast monsoon winds, and source of these wind is the presence of the high pressure area of the east of the Madagascar. Now in the southern hemisphere at the coast of Madagascar, the rise zone of the high pressures which forming by the mid-April at the 20 degrees south, and it is an important factor which determine the intensity of the Indian monsoon. The intense low pressure system found over the Tibetan plateau attracts the air from the high pressure systems, and this causes a strong pull of moisture laden air masses from the ocean to the land masses of the India. While the shifting of the ITCZ, the pressure systems reverse, causing the reversal of wind of the same time of the wind of the upper circulations or the jet wind movements of the westerly jet stream to the north of the Himalaya and the movement of the easterly jet stream over the Indian peninsulas, and that affect the summer monsoon of the India. The global climate events of changing pressure system over ocean has tremendous effect over arrival, duration, amount and retreat of monsoon in India. The equatorial belt of tropic region of Pacific and Indian Ocean face a maximum effect, usually the situation alike, when the southeastern Pacific has low pressure and high temperature and the eastern Indian Ocean has high pressure and low temperature. The situation reverse roughly in 3 to 8 years when tropical eastern South Pacific Ocean has high pressure and tropical eastern Indian Ocean has low pressures. And the reversal of temperature and pressure condition across the ocean is called the southern oscillations. And due to the vast interruption in the ocean in the southern hemisphere, the condition felt more different in the northern hemisphere. The normal condition brings moderate to good monsoon, whereas the reverse condition brings drought and a famine to the Asian regions. El Nino and La Nina are the two opposite ends of the southern oscillations. El Nino is a warm phase of the southern oscillation and La Nina is a cold phase of southern oscillations. These deviation from normal surface temperature and can have large scale impact not only ocean process but also on global weather and the climate. This climate event is known as ENSO. En means El Nino, so means southern oscillations. And during El Nino, the monsoon will be weaker and comes later in India. And summer is cooler and surrounding of sea and ocean temperature remain warmer than the usual. The Purvian cold current is replaced by warm current. Therefore, the pull of the air to land mass is weak. The La Nina is good for monsoon condition as temperature over the sea remain cooler and pressure difference between land and sea is very high. So, the pulling of the air mass from sea to land is very intense. El Nino and the La Nina events occur every 2 to 7 years. In the next video, we will discuss about the onset and the withdrawal of the monsoon. Topic related these questions you have to do on your fair notebook.